Today we're going to find out if you can spray paint your engine bay and make it look good like a spray gun. So we already got it primered. I used rattle can primer and it turned out insane. You can rattle can primer your whole car. We did that with this, and then Jack laid down some beautiful orange, like a sexy orange from the grocery store you'd eat. So yeah, we're gonna paint this bad boy today. We got some tropical glitz. Got some tropical glitz sandbar. Beautiful. You don't have to get tropical glitz, but you know it's high temp, so it works good. And then we got some tropical glitz flake. Gonna look like Miami strip club. And then we got some 2K clear. This is the most important thing to make your engine bay look glossy. So, and don't skimp on it. Get 4 cans, get 5, get 6, and just lay it on.
Wet.
Super wet.
Like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb.
We are heating up the base cans right now so they spray a little better. And we're both getting a little nervous here, so
Yeah, I'm nervous.
we might have to go take a dump before we get to this. Here we go. Woo! I'm gonna go really light first coat.
Yeah, just get all the corners and crap.
This color goes hard.
Yeah, making me hard.
Little left hand action.
Damn, that's pretty bold, dude. You been practicing with it?
Oh yeah, all the practice. Don't ask how. Feeling it in my eyeballs.
Yeah, a little tingle.
Yeah! Yeah! Give me one.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Can you spray paint your engine bay?
Yeah.
Yeah!
My spirit's sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside.
Just threw down the base. The tropical glitz stuff is like incredible. It lays down super smooth. I don't know if you can tell how smooth this is, but it's a little hard to see just because this color kind of blends in with the primer and the lighting. So we had to use a flashlight, go around, touch everything up, but it looks really good. And now we're gonna put the flake on. Okay, we got Jack ripping the flake.
Oh shoot, dude, with some pressure.
The flake lord.
Like Lord. All right, let's see.
Let me get out of the danger zone.
Let's see what the
Hit
form
a
is.
little,
A little test before I
Yeah.
try to get crazy in the corner.
get a little rip on the paper maybe.
All right,
Oh yeah, look at that.
that's good form.
Woo!
A little
Strong.
side to side. Oh, a little leaky.
Is it?
Got a little leakage.
We're gonna be all right.
We're gonna be good.
How you feeling?
I don't know. This thing's spewing.
Is it?
Yeah.
You wanna hit a different can?
Maybe we got
Oh, I
technical difficulties right now.
I'm hearing it leak.
Yeah, it's squirting.
Whoa, whoa, dude! Don't point that at me. Well, this is a situation here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Might have a faulty can.
Faulty can.
Whoa!
Damn, dude.
Did I get you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Nice.
We need a little tropical glitz refund on that.
Yeah, so they'll hook us up.
Hopefully, dude, I'm messing this gimbal up bad.
They're good people. They're friends of the show.
Yeah, friends of the show.
Yeah.
Long time. Okay, take 2.
Take 2.
That one feeling better?
Feeling really good.
We just had one faulty can.
Oh yeah, it got a good spread on that one.
Dude, I think this stuff is stronger than the paint smell.
Oh, I'm sure, dude. It's more clear base.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at that, guys. Well,
Oh, this one's spewing too.
no.
Fuck.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Or not kidding.
This is a disaster.
He's just going for it right now. Because it's spewing. It's coming out in like... It's coming out weird.
This is a disaster, guys.
It's alright. It's going to turn out good no matter what.
And I mean a disaster.
No, dude. It's going to come out good. This is what happens at the
Bro!
paint shop, dude.
Quit spewing!
Alright. We'll come back.
Woo! Damn. Breathing that?
Yeah.
So we've had some can issues, but we are working through them somehow. We did have a little flake explosion right there, but with the engine in, you won't even see it. And we also had a little run, but
No, you don't even see it.
it's all right. For what we're dealing with, it's pretty good, and it's starting to look super shiny. Let me get a flashlight on this.
Yeah, get a flashlight on that.
Oh yeah, look at all that.
Oh. Yeah.
So I'm gonna do one more super heavy flake coat, and then we're gonna throw the clear on. Flake disaster has dried. We're about to pop the cap on this clear. You ready? Back up a little
Oh,
bit.
shit.
Here we go.
That's it.
Hold on, give me a sec.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh! Damn.
I don't know if I got it. Oh, I got it. Yeah.
You got it.
So yeah, you gotta pop the activator in this, and then start shaking. And I'm gonna do probably, we think 3 coats?
Yeah.
We dial. If we have any runs, that's gonna be solely on me. Or Jack.
Yeah, it depends on who's spraying.
Yeah, well, I think we should alternate coats.
Yeah.
Probably a pretty wet one to start.
Yeah.
Lay it on heavy.
Yeah. Should be alright.
Yeah, so far the spray paint job is coming out really well. It would have been better though without the flake explosion, I guess.
That's alright. We'll focus on the positives.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we're positive people.
It's a drift car.
Yeah. And it's a show car.
That's the classic excuse. If you have any problems with it's like you chip anything. Oh, it's a drift car.
Dude, it's the fallback.
It really is.
Absolutely dialed! Don't talk shit on my technique either.
It's good form.
I don't know what I'm doing, but it's working.
Okay, here's a quick little look at it. I went super heavy. We did 3 coats of clear. The fumes are really strong in here, but it is nuts. It looks like glass. This spray can clear is next level. We went through 4 cans, 3 coats, last coat super heavy. And yeah, it should be perfect. Maybe I'll do a little polish. I don't know, probably not. For a spray paint engine bay, this is next level. We just got back from a little lunch and it looks just top tier. We had a little Culver's action. You just can't go wrong with the Culver's. Jack over here, massive Culver's guy. Massive. So we are gonna wait a little bit, rip a little stogie, and then we'll peel the tape off and show you the unveil.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, ripping a little bum. How you feel about it?
Oh, fantastic.
You can just leave me
Yeah! I gotta paint the cow now. Can you spray paint your engine bay?
Yeah.
Yeah! No, but you actually can. This looks, I would say, like a spray gun. You agree, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
And let's go over what it took. We went through 3 cans of base. And I did what? 3 coats of that, basically?
Yeah.
3 coats of base. We went through 3 cans of flake. We definitely could have gone through 2, but the cans were all jacked up, and we actually got a lot of runs because of that. So I don't know. But you don't have to do flakes, so you can just get rid of the flake idea. And then we went through 4 cans of clear, 3 coats, super wet, wetter than a water slide, and that's all you really need to have a good time
Yeah.
and a sexy day.
And it wasn't a lot of runs. It was like a tiny run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like
You gotta put some respect.
You saw in the video. I don't know what was happening with it. We got a little blowout with the flake, so. But you could probably do this whole engine bay on a budget for what? Less than $100.
Yeah. And it'll come out better than you would expect it to.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
You spend more on bum than you do on paint.
Yeah.
Let's get a little bum sponsor.
Bum.
Little bum sponsor, yeah! That's gonna be the end of this video. The bay looks fantastic. We're gonna start putting the motor in this week, so stay tuned for that. You'll see what's going in this thing, not the LS. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about spray paint or anything like that, comment down below. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Bum!